Hello, and welcome to the knee arthritis exercise sessions from the Keep Moving program. We'll do 6 exercises, 3 that strengthen the muscles supporting your knees, and 3 that improve flexibility in your knee joint. Simply follow your trainer. She'll take you step by step through each exercise. Remember, talk to your healthcare provider before starting or changing any exercise program. You can pause or stop the video at any time. Stop exercising and call your healthcare provider if you feel muscle, bone, or joint pain, chest pain or tightness, lightheadedness, or shortness of breath. Before you begin, warm up cold muscles by marching in place briskly for 3 to 5 minutes. One more thing, remember to have a few items within reach: a sturdy chair, 1 or 2 firm pillows or a blanket, a wall, and a table. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with 2 sets of backward leg lifts, 8 reps per set. Start with the right leg in the standing position with muscles tightened and lift your left leg backward. Begin.
1, 2, 3,
This exercise strengthens the knee of the standing leg because you are stabilizing the knee by engaging the different muscles that support it.
5,
You're halfway through this set. Keep moving.
6,
This exercise can also help if you have osteoarthritis pain in your hips.
7, 8,
And stop. Now let's switch legs. Keep your left leg in the standing position and muscles tight while moving your right leg. Begin.
1, 2, 3,
Remember to keep your buttock and thigh muscles in your standing leg tightened.
4, 5,
You're halfway through this set. Keep going.
6,
Remember to keep your back straight and upright at all times.
7, 8,
Now stop. Great job. That's 1 set completed. Let's rest for a moment. Let's move on to set 2, the last set for this exercise. Begin.
1, 2, 3,
Are you keeping the buttock and thigh muscles in your standing leg tight?
4, 5,
Halfway through the set.
6,
Remember that this exercise strengthens the knee of the standing leg because you are stabilizing the knee by engaging the different muscles that support it.
8,
And stop. Switch to the left leg. Begin.
1, 2, 3,
Keep your back straight and upright at all times.
4, 5,
You're almost done. Just 4 more to go.
6, 7, 8,
And stop. Fantastic! Let's rest and then we'll move on to the next exercise. Up next, chair squats. We're going to do 2 sets of chair squats. Let's start.
1, 2,
As you bend, keep your weight toward your heels.
3,
You want to avoid placing weight on your toes.
4,
Halfway through the first set, keep it up.
5, 6,
Don't let your knees extend out beyond your toes.
7, 8,
Now stop. Good job on the first set. Let's rest for a moment. Let's move on to set 2 and begin.
1, 2,
In addition to being great for your knees, these squats are also good for your hips.
3,
This exercise can help improve your balance too.
4,
You're halfway through this set. Keep going.
5, 6,
If you want to add a little more challenge, you can keep your arms straight at your sides.
7, 8,
And stop. Excellent. Let's get down on the floor to do bridges. Up next, bridges. We're going to do 2 sets of bridges. Remember to keep your thigh, buttock, and abdominal muscles tight as you do this exercise. And begin. Up to a count of 2, hold for 1 second, then down again to a count of 2.
3,
Keep your feet flat on the floor.
4,
You're almost done. Just 4 more to go.
5, 6,
Keep your buttock, thigh, and abdominal muscles tight. This will engage your knee more and give you better results.
8,
Now stop. Good work. Let's rest for a moment. Let's move on to set 2 and begin.
1, 2, 3,
Don't arch your back. Focus on keeping it straight.
4, 5,
If you want to add a little more challenge, you can place your hands on your chest.
6, 7,
This exercise is also great for the hips.
8,
And stop. Fantastic! Let's rest. That's it for the strength exercises, but stay on the floor for the quad stretches. Up next, quad stretches. Lie down on your left side for the first set of quad stretches. We'll do 2 stretches with the right leg. And begin. Remember, you should never feel pain during the stretches. If you feel pain, you forced your stretch too far. Release your foot until you feel comfortable. Keep your knees touching at all times. Good. Release your foot and gently return to your starting position. Now, let's stretch again. Begin. And release. Now, switch so you are lying on your right side. We're going to do 2 stretches with your left leg. And begin. Good. Release your foot and return to your starting position. Now, let's stretch again. Begin. And stop. Good. Now, stand up for the next flexibility exercise. Up next, calf stretches. For the calf stretches, let's start with the right leg in the back. Begin. Remember, if you're not feeling any stretching sensation in your back leg, try moving the leg a little farther back and then press your heel down again to see if you feel the stretch. Now, to release the stretch, bring your back foot forward, stand straight, and rest for a moment. Now, let's stretch again. Begin. The calf stretch is good for your knees and also your ankles. Your front leg should be slightly bent. And release. Rest for a moment and switch positions so your left leg is behind you. Now, press your left heel down until you feel the stretch in your calf. Begin. And release. Extend your leg back again and stretch. Begin. and release. Great job! For the final stretch today, grab your chair again. Up next, hamstring stretches. For the hamstring stretches, let's start with the right leg extended forward. Begin. This exercise stretches the muscles in the back of your thigh known as the hamstrings. Remember to keep your back straight. You need to bend from the hips. Now, to release the stretch, return to an upright position and rest for a moment. Now, let's stretch again and begin. And release. Rest for a moment and switch positions so your left leg is extended in front of you. Now bend forward at the hips. Begin. And release. Begin. And release. Great job! Congratulations! That's it for today's workout. You've taken good steps toward outsmarting knee arthritis. See you next time.